Hey, TLG fam, coming at you today to share a little bit of a success story that I got to do this week. It's pretty awesome. We work hard in this business, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Check this out.
Are they going this way? What'd you tell them? What'd you tell them?
Phil, get over here and film. You love it.
You got two trucks.
Yeah.
Dana drove one.
You have one and we have one.
This is pretty, and I love you so much. But I want to. Really? How cool was that? Yeah, this is a system that all of us should not take for granted. Being able to do things like that and take care of my dad is just something I've always wanted to do. Just to be able to give back for everything that he's ever given me. Work hard, guys. There's no reason that any one of you can't be at the top. There's no reason that any one of you can't do what we're doing. Art put a system in play for you to take advantage of, and guys, I urge you do it. The money's real. The time, the availability, the flexibility, the freedom that this system allows us to have is just absolutely amazing. Love y'all. Take care.